Hello. So, this is my new pad. I just want to show you the entrance. Well, okay, so you walk in here, and then what you see is you just walk there, and then you're looking at the living room area, if this makes it better. Once you're in there, you get to see the kitchen, which is over here. There's two windows, and it's an outside semi-courtyard. There is a kitchen cabinet right here, the fridge, the sink, and the stove. It's a little bit tight, so I don't really know what to do about what's happening over here. I don't have a living room. I just have there's a space for a table. The current person has a couch. Yeah, I'm not really sure. And this is like a walkway, so you can't really put too much there. Moving on, going to the bedroom. I could flip the bed to be a different way. It'll be it'll take some tight designing, but the bathroom is also really nice. So, bathroom is over here. I have only put in the tub so far, but this blue thing right here is a skylight which shines light down.